Well, hello, Williams, Philippines, and it is Thursday at about 10 to 2 uh, on Thursday, March 27th, 2025. And it is, been a busy day. Got up, did a little work in there, cleaning up stuff. Got about half the floor chipped out and most of the junk cleaned up from it. Actually, I got most all the big parts. Now it's just little pieces around the edges. Too big to go into the vacuum cleaner, so I got to get them up before I try to vacuum. And then I got about half the room to go again for finishing the chiseling out. So, fun stuff. Then I had to get ready to go doctor's office this morning. Yay. Got there and, first time in the doctor's office this year, so they got to take and get all the new paperwork for the year started and taken care of. And happy, joy. And got that took care of. Got over and talked to the doc and got another appointment. I think I got it wrote down. End of January or end of June. Sorry, I'm tired. It's been a long day. Swung by from there and tried to pick up some peanuts. Peanuts are important. And got those, went around the corner and grabbed some Arby's. Grabbed some Arby's and stopped and ate that. Then went around the corner from there to hit the gun store. Two of my guns sold, my 270 and my 260 Remington. 270 Winchester and my 260 Remington. It's one of those 700 Remington 700 rifles. Got a little bit out of it. On the Raptor 270, after paying my commission to her, I got $100 out of it, which means I actually only lost $20 after 20 years. And I did a lot of shooting with that rifle. So, yeah, I'm okay with that. It was a well-used rifle, and I did a lot of putting things down with it. And I've shot a whole bunch of pigs with that thing. Nice flat shooting little gun. I like it. Wouldn't have sold it if I wasn't going to the Philippines. Wouldn't have sold the 260 at all if I hadn't been going to the Philippines because, well, I actually like that gun. It's even flatter shooting than the 270, and it was my dad's. But it's not that special of a gun. If I'd have wanted to keep one of my dad's rifles, it would have been the 270 Husqvarna. That one I got a lot of hunting on too, but that was Dad's hunting. Unless he was playing with something else, I didn't get to hunt with it. But I did get to hunt with it. Very nice gun though. But that went to my sister. And yeah, needless to say, I've got almost $600 more to go into my account for paying off things and building stuff up. I think I'm going to probably just go ahead and drop this one in my. Part of me says put it on the credit card. I can't make 30% in my stock account. The other part says put it in my stock account and start drawing 12, 15, 18%. Start building that better. But I still have, drawing 30%. So probably going to put it toward a credit card. Get that out of the way. Trying to get those things paid off as fast as I can. And, well, the more I get paid off, the better. The faster, the better. Anyway, I got done at the gun shop and had a good conversation with the gal behind the counter that runs the place. I think she might want to go to the Philippines. We'll see. But went from there over to Lowe's there next to Walmart down on Coulter. And they didn't have what I was after. So I had to go over to the Lowe's next to Walmart on Amarillo Boulevard, the north end of Bell. They had it. Bags for the shop vac. Considering that basically over there, sucking up the big stuff and all the other stuff around it, what wasn't, well, the small stuff that was big but still made it into the pipe, bags full. So, yay. And I know I'm going to need some more. So, yay. I would never have believed how much dirt can be in a carpet if I hadn't drug all these carpets out myself. I mean, seriously, 20 years of collecting dirt, and I don't care what vacuum you have, it ain't getting it out. It follows through it, falls into the pad, it weighs the pad down, it gets all up into the fibers, and you gotta, Being around here, it's more sand than it is anything, and I got sand in there. Glad I got that carpet out. Only piece of carpet I have left in the house is the one underneath me here in this room. Yeah, it's going to be one of the last ones to go. Just saying. But anyway, got that and went over and checked on something else. It wasn't working. And then went over to my pharmacy and filled my prescription and got some groceries and then headed home. And I've been up since basically 11 last night, which is sleeping in for me because I'm supposed to be at work by 11 when I normally go, and I usually wake up about 9:30, 10 o'clock. So I actually did sleep in. Yeah, a whole hour. It's better than nothing. So yay. Problem is, tired. But I will keep getting little pieces of here and there done. And I picked up some of the sanitary wipe things. They had them on sale. They're cheap. Taking to put those in my suitcase to carry with me. Yeah, it's kind of like I know I won't need them right away, but yeah, once I get somewhere, I'm probably going to need something like that. It's kind of like toilet paper. You always need toilet paper. I mean, seriously. Uh, Even if you just use the bum gun and spray your backside down. I personally don't like going wet. So a little bit of toilet paper goes a long way when it's just drying something, not having to dig turds out. Yeah, I know you wanted to hear that, right? Anyway, uh, gonna try to go to sleep. And this time I'm gonna try to make sure I remember to take my uh, blood pressure meds. Because my blood pressure was up when I got over there. I'd been working over here and jumping up and getting run over to over there. And by the time I got there from over here and everything done, my blood pressure was 148 over 92 up, but active. So higher than I want it to. Eh, it is what it is. There's just too much stress over here. I'll be glad to get over there and not have anything to stress about other than what meal and how much bait do I buy to go fishing with. That and the constant need to find the right beach because I can hear it calling me over here. I'm hearing that beach calling me from all the way over there, right here. It's telling me to come be its bum. Anyway, I hope y'all have had a blessed day. Uh, May your work week finish off easy and your weekend be a good one. Lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family. Yeah, and more food because, hey, we all need more food. Anyway, later blessings and bye bye. I hope you have a good one. Uh, I'm Williams Philippines. Like, comment, subscribe, and come along for the insanity. But hey, I'm fishing. Well, fish is out. Goodbye.